Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can protect your PDF file by adding a password to your PDF file. So, for example, if you have any PDF file and you want to make it secure by adding a password to it, then this video is for you. For example, I have this sample PDF right here, which can be opened and accessed by anyone. So, if I don't want any unauthorized person to open this file and read its content, then the best method is to use an online tool which can allow me to add a password to this file. Now, let's see how it's done. First, open any web browser of your choice. Then, in the search bar, simply type for I love PDF. The I love PDF website is a free tool that allows a variety of operations on any PDF file. So you need to click on this website right here. Once you are in, you need to scroll down a bit and you can see the Protect PDF button. Simply click on it. Then it will ask you to select the PDF file which you want to protect. Now, once you have selected the PDF file, it will ask you to type the password. Make sure that you remember the password well, or it would be almost very difficult to recover it. For here, I will be using the simple password just for the sake of this video right here. As you can see that I have used the password both of the times. Then once you are done, simply click on the Protect PDF button right here. Once you click on it, it will process the PDF and it will give you the download button link. Then once your PDF file has been downloaded, you can open it only to get the password required field. Now if you enter the correct password, it should let you in. Now here you can see that it let me in as I entered the correct password. Now if I would have entered the wrong password, it would have simply denied me the access. Here you can see that it is showing incorrect password. So now you have successfully protected your PDF by enabling it with a password. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.